I now request Dr. Abhaya Asthana, the President of Vishwa Hindu Parishad of America, to give his opening remarks. Dr. Asthana, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Vallabha. So namaste and Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. It is an honor to speak to this wonderful audience today. 2020 is a landmark year for Vishwa Hindu Parishad of America. Established in 1970, we have completed 50 years of leading and serving the Hindu community. As we stand at this crossroad and behold the future filled with aspirations and hope, we must also turn our gaze back on the amazing journey of 50 years, walking with Dharma in this land of America. There is so much to learn about how Hindus have enriched and strengthened the strands of culture, knowledge, and community engagement through their spirituality and enterprise. It is not the case that Hindu thought was not there earlier. Emerson and Thoreau mused with it in the mid-1800s. And Swami Vivekananda, Swami Ramatirth, and Paramhans Yogananda whetted the curiosity of America further. But the earnest journey of Hindu thought in action started with the Hindu immigrants in the 60s and the 70s, who actually lived and breathed the tradition. And it was to serve that nascent Hindu diaspora that VHPA was conceived by Dr. Mahesh Mehta and other founding members with the blessings of Mananiya Guru Golwalkarji. Its founding vision was the all-embracing message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is a family. And its mission was to sustain Hindu Dharma as we struggled to build a home in America. Remarkably, the humble initiative of 1970 has blossomed into a formidable movement over 5 decades, with many Hindu organizations joining in partnership along the way. Every aspect of Hindu American life for 4 generations have been positively touched by VHPA through its visionary and transformational programs. Today, at Reflections, it is a day to gaze back into this journey with a vision for the future, as Jayji was just saying. As a community, how far have we traveled on this 4-laned highway of Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha? Where are we? Where do we want to be? And what do we have to do to get there? To address these questions, we have chosen 8 important facets of our society as benchmarks. These are reflected in the 8 distinguished panels that we have organized: women, advocacy, seva, children, youth, elders, dharmic institutions, and enterprise. In our midst, we have inspiring Hindu leaders and visionaries who seeded the Hindu movement. And as the conference unfolds over the next 2 days, we will have the opportunity to learn on an array of topics from many internationally renowned personalities as keynote speakers and panelists. Finally, as you know, the 50th anniversary event has been moved to next year, September 2021, due to the COVID-19 crisis. Today's conference sets a solid foundation to deliver a memorable Swarna Jayanti 2021 event and signals the launch of that process. We are so delighted that you are able to join us today. And we look forward to seeing you all face to face in the grand mega event at Meadowlands Expo Center next year, September 17th, 18th, and 19th, 2021. Till then, Hari Om and Namaste.